Hey guys, how is everybody today? Me personally, I'm not too bad. Um, it's like 80s outside, I think. Let me look at that. Yep, it's 87 out right now, and the wind is 9 miles per hour. Not too bad. And today is concert day. So my brother and I is gonna go to a concert. Every Wednesday is concert day down at the park, at least until end of July or beginning of August, I believe it is. Anyway, that's what's the plan today. So my brother tried to fix his wheel. He got the new tube, and that one apparently popped as well. So I guess the tubes that we're getting are just junk. So I think he's talking about taking it to the bike shop and letting them just do it. I mean, that's what I would have done a long time ago, but that's me. So he ain't gonna be riding his bike, but I am, because I don't want to push it. And then Broski and I are gonna go, probably stop at Mix, have a bite, and and then just go to the concert. Oh, what else can I talk about? Got my smokes rolled. I gotta take my trash out. I'll do that on the way out. Got my batteries charged. Phone should be charged enough. Yeah, 77. It's good enough. My watch needs to be charged. Yeah, that's what I'm forgetting. That's down to 32%. So we'll take the dock. Put that on there. Maybe. There it is. Charge away. That dock's got a battery in it, so I don't need to plug it in all the time. I can get one good charge without plugging it in, so we'll let it do its thing. Because I don't need that dying on me. I might actually hook that to the Bluetooth and put my phone in the backpack. That way I don't have such bulk in my pocket. I've been thinking about that for the past couple of days. I can make it so that my phone pushes all my calls and messages to my watch. And if it's that important, I can always take the phone out and reply. Because I can't, like answer the phone on my watch. It doesn't have Bluetooth calling or anything. But I can see that someone's calling. And I can either get back to them or whatever, you know. So I'm thinking about doing that. But that sucks the life out of my watch, I'll tell you, the Bluetooth. The Wi-Fi don't suck up as much battery as the Bluetooth does. I don't understand that. But it is what it is. So anyway, that's what's going on. I might put some snippets of the concert in. I mean, YouTube didn't seem to have a problem with it last time, so we'll see what happens. So on that note, I will get back with you guys later. If not during, then after the concert. So until then, peace. Y'all take care and thanks for hanging out with me.
minutes, we're going to kick this off with the national anthem. Let's bring Nicole King out. Everybody please stand. Flags behind you.
What so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose great strokes and bright stars through the perilous fight, all the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, see, does that star-spangled banner yet wave? Oh, the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Alright, so a couple of quick announcements. We got some guests here tonight. We got Detroit Lemon Squeeze in the blue, under the blue tent. We got Consumers Energy out in the plaza. Water Street Nutrition is underneath the pavilion. Sushi Remix is in this big bus right over here. B&C Pizza, you can't miss them. They're right next to the pavilion. We got the concession stand. And the best of all, we got Base Sale serving beer, cider, and seltzers right under the blue black tent. Don't forget, we do not have a concert next week because the Fireworks Festival will be setting up, but on July 6th, we have Hearts and Bones, a Paul Simon tribute, will be here on July 6th. And don't forget, July 8th, we have Pop Evil with Riot 5. On July 9th, we have Brett Young with Matt Ferrante, and on July 10th, we have Randy Hauser with Lone Star, all going to be right here in Winona Park. And after the show tonight, if you want to go out and have some more fun, don't forget to visit the Dry Dock Beer Garden. Are you ready? Here we go. We got Paul McCartney's 80th birthday bash, All-Star Band.
Everybody made it home. We kind of cut out that one early because it got cold out there. That wind got chilly fast. I had to change my shirt because a bird decided it, wanted to take a drop while, I got bird bombed, let's just say that. So, it happens. When you got a flock of seagulls up flying around, yeah, you're bound to get bombed. So anyway, yeah, it wasn't a bad concert. I mean, it wasn't my favorite. But yeah, they were pretty good. Unfortunately, the wind was just relentless. And caught a lot of the footage, so I'm probably not going to be having to put much more than you'll see in there, much more than you've seen. It was windy. Seemed like a lot more than 9 miles an hour. But, yeah. That was the first concert this year that we ducked out early. We don't usually do that. We usually stick it out. But it got chilly. And that place was packed. And next week, all of Bay City's gonna be packed. Because fireworks around here, they're happening the 30th, 1st, and 2nd for the big ones. At least that's what I heard. I don't know why they don't do them on the 4th, but they rarely ever do. And it's been that way as far back as I can recall. It's always been 3 days, usually on a weekend, whether it's the 4th or not. Only once in a while does it fall directly on the 4th that is the weekend. It's weird. But hey, it leaves everybody else to do their own thing for the 4th. So there are benefits. So anyway, a lot of things happening this month and beginning of next. And I'm going to try and get to them if I can. You know, some of them cost money. Those ones, it'd have to be pretty good for me to dip into my savings. Because I've already dipped into that hard enough. I don't need to do any more. Or I ain't gonna have any more. So, we might have to stick with the free ones. But there's a lot of free stuff, you know. Don't always need money. So on that note, I think I'll let you go until the next one. I thank you guys for stopping by and sticking around. I appreciate all the likes, comments. I try to get to them all. And if you have questions or anything, let me know. I'd be happy to answer them if I can. So until next time.